Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Dilip Birari, working as an assistant professor in chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nasik. Since from few lectures, we were discussing about the second unit of industrial chemistry, that is agrochemicals. Agrochemical, a contraction of agricultural chemistry, is a generic term for the various chemical products used in agriculture. In most cases, agrochemical refers to the broad range of pesticides including insecticides, herbicides, fungicides and nematicides. Agrochemicals are looked upon as a vehicle for improved crop production technology, though it is costly input. Balance use, optimum dose, correct method and right time of application of agrochemicals ensures increased crop production. So we know that by the use of agrochemicals, the crop efficiency can be increased, not only quantity but also quality of food increases by the application of agrochemicals. Many agrochemicals are toxic in nature and also having the serious effect on human health and environmental factors. In earlier lectures, we have studied the synthesis and applications of agrochemicals like DDT and BHC in detail. Now, in today's lecture, we have to study the synthesis and applications of endosulfan. What is endosulfan? What are the uses, properties and applications of endosulfan? How it can be synthesized? We have to study in detail in today's lecture. So, let us start. Endosulfan having molecular formula C9H6Cl6O3S. So we should remember the molecular formula of endosulfan. So what is the structure of endosulfan? So this one is the structure of endosulfan having 6 hydrogens, 9 carbon, 6 chlorine, 3 oxygens and 1 sulfur. C9H6Cl6O3S. So this one is the structure and this is the molecular formula of endosulfan. It is present in two forms, alpha endosulfan and beta endosulfan. It is an organochlorine pesticide. So we should remember the structure, molecular formula of endosulfan. Initially, it is used for to kill insects and mites on crop such as tea, coffee, fruits, vegetables, cotton, cereal grains. Endosulfan, it is one of the agricultural poisons. It is a neurotoxic organochlorine insecticide. It is an endocrine disruptor and highly toxic. It is effective against a wide range of insects. Endosulfan, it is used as a pre-harvest insecticide, also used on non-food crops such as tobacco and cotton. In India, Hindustan Insecticide Limited is the producer of endosulfan. Endosulfan sold under trade names. These are Thionex, Endosil, Phaser, Benzophin. So we should remember, in India, Hindustan Insecticide Limited is the producer of endosulfan and it is sold under the trade names. These are Thionex, Endosil, Phaser and Benzopin. Under these trade names, the endosulfan is available in market Endosulfan used for to kill the insect and mites on the crops such as tea, coffee, fruits, vegetable, cotton, cereal grains. It is first time produced by Fevwerk in 1950. Endosulfan is one of the agricultural poisons. It is neurotoxic organochlorine insecticide and it is used as a pre-harvest insecticide. So in India, Hindustan Insecticide Limited is the producer. What is endosulfan? A toxic organochlorine pesticide of moderate mammalian toxicity which doesn't accumulate in the tissues of man or animals to any significant extent. It is called as endosulfan, which is a toxic organochlorine pesticide. It is present in two forms, alpha endosulfan and beta endosulfan. We should remember it is organochlorine pesticide. Initially, it is used to kill insects and mites on crops such as tea, coffee, fruits, vegetables, etc. It is first time produced by Fevwick in 1950. But undiluted endosulfan is slowly and incompletely absorbed in the GI of warm-blooded animals. Now, what is the synthesis of endosulfan? How it can be synthesized? Endosulfan is produced by Diels-Alder reaction of hexachlorocyclopentadiene with cis-butyl 1,4-diol and subsequent reaction with thionyl chloride. So this one is the reaction between hexachlorocyclopentadiene with cis-butyl 1,4-diol followed by subsequent reaction with thionyl chloride to give the product, that is endosulfan C9H6Cl6O3S. Endosulfan is synthesized by reaction between hexachlorocyclopentadiene and cis-butyl diol, and after that it is treated with thionyl chloride to give a mixture of product. So we can see the synthesis of endosulfan. In this, hexachlorocyclopentadiene 1,3-diene reacts with 2,4-butyl-diol or 2,4-butyl-1,4-diacetate. So this reaction is called as Diels-Alder reaction to give adduct. So when we observe the structure, here 4 pi electrons and the second one it includes 2 pi electrons. So the reaction between 4 pi and 2 pi electrons to give the product. So this reaction is called as 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. So diene and dienophile reacts to give the adduct. So this one is called as Diels-Alder reaction. Endosulfan is synthesized by reaction between hexachlorocyclopentadiene and cis-butyl 2-diol with the thionyl chloride to give mixture containing 70% of alpha endosulfan and 30% of beta endosulfan. So when we consider the reaction, here the new bond is formed between these two carbon atoms and the double bond is shifted here so that adduct is obtained. The new sigma bonds form and also the pi bond is shifted here. So this one is the adduct obtained after this reaction. Hexachlorocyclopentadiene reacts with 2,4-butyl diol or 2,4-butyl 1,4-diacetate. Further, this adduct hydrolyzes in presence of acidic medium to give the endosulfan alcohol. Again, the endosulfan alcohol is obtained by the rupture of these two bonds in acidic medium to give the endosulfan alcohol. It is further treated with thionyl chloride SOCl2. We know that thionyl chloride, it is chlorinating agent, so that we can get the final product, that is endosulfan, having the molecular formula C9H6Cl6O3S. So this one is the synthesis of endosulfan. The reaction between hexachlorocyclopentadiene and cis-1,4-diacetobutene to form endosulfan diacetate, which gives endosulfan diol after hydrolysis. It reacts with this endosulfan diol, which is called as a endosulfan alcohol. It reacts with thionyl chloride and forms a mixture containing 70% of alpha endosulfan and 30% of beta endosulfan. So this one is the total synthesis of endosulfan, that is the reaction, Diels-Alder reaction, to give the mixture of 70% alpha endosulfan and 30% of beta endosulfan. 4-pi plus 2-pi cycloaddition reaction is involved in the synthesis of endosulfan. Now, what are the properties of endosulfan? When we observe the commercial product, it is brown and crystalline in nature, having melting point 70 to 100 degrees Celsius, pure having the melting point 106 degrees Celsius. Solubility of endosulfan: it is insoluble in water but soluble in most organic solvents. It is also stable to acids and it is hydrolyzed by the acids. So these are the properties. Now, what are the applications of endosulfan? It is used to control insect pest, whiteflies, aphids, leafhoppers, Colorada, potato beetles and also cabbage worms. It is used as an insecticide and acaricides. It is used in agriculture to control insect pests on various crops such as leafhoppers, aphids, whiteflies, potato beetles and cabbage worm. It is not specific in nature. It can negatively impact population of beneficial insects also. Endosulfan known to have acute toxicity and potential for bioaccumulation. So, it is threats to human and also to the environment. So, we should remember that endosulfan is one of the agrochemical poison. Endosulfan known to have acute toxicity and also potential for bioaccumulation, so that it is threats to humans and also to the environment. It is not specific but it can negatively impact population of beneficial insects also. So we should remember it is used as an insecticide, acaricide and used in agriculture to control insect pest on various crops. So these are the applications of agrochemical, that is endosulfan. So in today's lecture we have studied synthesis, applications of endosulfan, uses of endosulfan and also properties in detail. We have studied the synthesis of endosulfan in detail. So we should remember that endosulfan, it is one of the agrochemical which is an organochlorine pesticide. Initially it is used to kill insects, mites on the crops, and it is colorless crystals, brownish colored endosulfan, which consists of 4 parts of butoendosulfan, 1 part of endosulfan 1 and endosulfan 2. Endosulfan is highly toxic for aquatic animals, so it is banned in many countries. So we should remember that the various trade names of endosulfan, the properties and applications, also synthesis of endosulfan. So in next lecture we will see the alternatives for agrochemicals which are called as biopesticides. We have to study in detail biopesticides like neem oil and currants oil in detail in next lecture. So thank you.